What's up, guys? Welcome to Fishing School with Nick Pavlakis. We're going to be talking about your two different types of fishing rod and reel setups right here, conventional versus spinning. Right here, this is a Penn Senator Classic. This is going to be a little bit more for bottom fishing, maybe a little bit of light trolling. And right now we're spooled up with monofilament fishing line. You're going to hold this one either underneath your armpit for bottom fishing, or fighting fish like that, you're going to want to put that in your hip right there. So you're going to be using your left arm strong, just reeling with your right hand. Really put some drag on these fish with this star drag right here, so you can tighten that or loosen that. Put it in free spool, you got that lever. You do need to be careful, make sure it doesn't go out too fast, then you're gonna get a backlash. Over here, this is my tarpon setup. I actually brought it over to the east coast of Florida last week, caught some mahi-mahi on this. I'm a Shimano freak, not paid by Shimano. Most of my stuff is Shimano. This is a 10,000 Saragosa, put a ton of drag on fish. And hey, I've landed 180, 200 pound tarpon with this setup right here. A little bit different though. Don't be that guy. Don't be reeling your spinning rod like this. It's not how you do it. Like that. Get good power on that fish, letting the rod do the work. And this is gonna be a little bit better for casting. So if you're on the beach, you're casting crabs into schools of tarpon, you can do that just like you would for your really light tackle fishing, but you can really put a lot of power on fish. Really easy to use too. You don't need to guide that line back and forth like on a conventional. And of course the reel's gonna do all that for you. It's gonna level wind it, and you're also not gonna get backlash on a spinning reel. So in your arsenal, you're gonna wanna be very diverse, okay? So whether it's conventional setups, spinning setups, have a good mix, have the right tools for the job. They're gonna do different things, and at the end of the day, you're gonna catch more fish. Good luck out there.